Hello and welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to make these from Dollar Tree Supplies. You will need a package of the gold coins, a package of the little pots, a hot glue gun, a package of the foam sheets, and a pair of scissors. The first thing you're going to want to do is put hot glue on it, but you don't want to go clear up to the lip. I'll show you why in a little bit. Just come down. Okay. And you want to place your pot with the bottom kind of hanging off of the foam. And press it down. Then take one of your coins, the hot glue on the back, lift up the corner here, place it underneath where you want it, press down. Now I like to, if you can see here, I have all of them with the clover facing up and then the middle one with the words facing up. You do you though, however you like. And I've got glue. Don't you hate these spider webs that come with hot glue? Anyways, just take your coins, and I do it 3 across the bottom, one at a time. Alternating. On the bottom row, between words and clovers, and we will get rid of all the extra glue in a moment. I put quite a bit of glue on the top too, because you got to be able to reach over these coins to the foam behind it. I also pick it up and kind of press the foam into it from behind. And last one. Okay, once you have all your coins, you're going to take your hot glue gun and put some glue along this edge. Push it down and along this one. And press it down. Don't put too much glue because it will squish up and come up and on top of your coins, and nobody wants that. I put a little bit in the center, not much, and press that down. Now, your next step, you want to wait a moment for the glue to cool, of course. But your next step is to take your scissors. Now, you can leave this foam here if you wanted to. Maybe you want to, whoops, excuse me. Sorry. I don't have a professional camera set up here, and I just knocked into it. Anyways, you might want to put some words up here if you want to. Maybe a rainbow. Who knows? You could even put some, like a horseshoe or the word lucky or whatever you want. You know, you got many colors here. You could cut out different things. And if you have a Cricut machine, you can do even more. But you want to take your scissors and you want to kind of go at a slant and get it behind the pot. And that's why we didn't glue all the way to the edges, so that we can get rid of this excess foam, so that it's not visible, but still there to secure the coins and whatnot in place. And I use the tip to try to have more control. Be careful you don't get the pot. And there you go, one completed pot of gold. Of course, it's ugly from the back, but nobody's going to see the back. And you can add this to any of your other decorations. You can put it, you know, with me, I'm putting it on my porch on the wall, a whole bunch of them, with some other decorations. And I hope you enjoy it, and that you will make yours and link me to your video below. And I will be back again later with a new video later on. Who knows what we'll be making then. I'll see you then. Bye bye.